Hey guys, we received this 5x7 picture frame set of 3 for test and try. Display pictures with a 4.6 inch with the mat or 5.7 without the mat. Multiple photo frames for the collage or for wall or any other use. So you can see the set of 3 comes in this nice box, and let me just open this up. So okay, you can use it as a both way, like you can put it on the wall or you can put it on the tabletop. So the size is the 4 by 6 inches or 7 by 5 inches with mat or without mat, and it can be used for various sizes. So here is the plastic glass. So this is not a glass but a plastic, so we can just take out this protective layer so I can show you the clarity. So this is the PVC frame and the plastic cover with the mat and photo and the back. So you can see, like, you can put it the mat with the glass. It is very clear glass, and then you can put it on this PVC frame along with the back and then close. So the overall quality is good, and you can easily swap and changes your photos with the stable support in the back. For the tabletop or for the wall, the hooks are also provided. So the closing and is very easy, and then you can just do that. So overall a nice frame for both 4 by 6 or the 5 by 7 photos, and very nice clear frames.